Whether you're cleaning out your garage, decluttering your home, or tackling a major renovation project, junk removal services can make your life easier. In Austin, where homeowners often need help managing overflowing storage or getting rid of old furniture, hiring a professional junk removal company is a smart choice. These companies can save you time and effort, ensuring that your space is cleared quickly and efficiently. However, to make the most of your junk removal service, proper preparation is essential. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps to get ready for a junk removal service in Austin, so you can ensure everything goes smoothly and your space is cleared without a hitch. Assess what needs to be removed. The first step in preparing for a junk removal service is to take a careful inventory of the items you want to get rid of. Start by walking through the areas that need clearing, be it your garage, basement, attic, or yard, and assess which items are no longer needed or are too cumbersome to handle yourself. This could include old furniture, appliances, electronic devices, boxes of clutter, or yard waste. Making a list can help ensure that you don't forget anything and can provide the junk removal team with a clear understanding of the job. Additionally, you can categorize items that are still usable and can be donated. Many junk removal services in Austin will separate reusable items from trash to donate them to local charities or recycling centers. This will help you feel good about reducing waste and contributing to your community. Sort and organize your items. Once you've identified the items to be removed, it's time to sort and organize them. While the junk removal company will handle the heavy lifting and hauling, taking the time to separate and group your items will speed up the process and allow them to work more efficiently. You may want to separate recyclables. Items like cardboard, metal, or plastic can be recycled. Create a pile for donations. If you have gently used furniture or clothes, organize them into a pile for donation. Let the junk removal company know so they can drop these items off at a local charity. Label hazardous materials. If you have chemicals, paint, or batteries that need special disposal, make sure to label these items so the junk removal crew knows how to handle them safely. Most companies will only take hazardous materials if they're properly identified and if the service is equipped to dispose of them. Clear the path for easy access. Before the junk removal team arrives, clear the path to the items you want to be removed. If they're stored in your garage or shed, make sure the area is accessible so the team can easily move the items without any obstacles. If your junk is scattered across your home, such as in different rooms or floors, try to move everything to one central location, such as the garage or the front door. Additionally, ensure that driveways, walkways, and staircases are free from any obstructions so the team can easily navigate your property with large items like furniture and appliances. Estimate the size of the load. Most junk removal companies in Austin offer services that are priced based on the amount of space your items take up in the removal truck. To avoid surprises, it's a good idea to get an estimate of how much space your junk will occupy. Take a moment to estimate the size of the pile and consider whether you need a full load or a partial load service. This will help you get an accurate price quote and avoid delays on the day of the removal. Some junk removal companies also offer free on-site estimates, where they can evaluate the amount of junk and provide you with an upfront price. Ensure proper disposal of special items. If you have specific items that require special disposal, such as electronics, appliances, or furniture that can't simply be tossed into a landfill, make sure the junk removal company is aware of these items. Some companies specialize in e-waste recycling or have connections to appliance recycling centers. For example, if you're disposing of an old refrigerator, ask the junk removal team if they can properly handle it. Many appliances contain chemicals that require specialized disposal, so it's important to confirm that the company can take care of these types of items. Prepare payment and scheduling details. When scheduling your junk removal service, make sure to ask about pricing details, available time slots, and any other services that may be offered. Once you've received a price estimate, confirm the time and date for your junk removal appointment. Be clear about what's being removed and when to expect the team. On the day of the removal, ensure you have payment ready. Many junk removal companies accept credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes even cash. Some companies also offer online payments for added convenience. Stay informed and communicate clearly. Lastly, make sure to communicate clearly with the junk removal team. If you have any specific requests, such as which items should be donated or recycled, or if there are any areas of your home that require extra care during the removal process, let them know up front. Keeping the lines of communication open ensures that the job is done to your satisfaction. Conclusion: make your junk removal service in Austin a breeze. Preparing for a junk removal service in Austin is all about being organized, clear, and communicative. By sorting your items, ensuring easy access, and being mindful of special disposal requirements, you can help the removal team work quickly and efficiently. With these simple steps, you can enjoy a clutter-free home in no time, reduce waste, and even donate items to those in need. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure that the junk removal process goes smoothly, helping you reclaim space and enjoy a more organized and comfortable living environment. Whether you're tackling a small cleanup or a major decluttering project, Austin's professional junk removal services are the best way to handle the mess.